mega love shoutout po para sa lahat. And this is me, Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is it. Ito naman po tayo. Ang paborito ko, ang magsusurprise. So guys, for today, magsusurprise po tayo para sa ating lovely Sergi. Okay, si Ate Sergi po ay dati ko pong kasama sa trabaho dati. Bumalik po ulit dito para magtrabaho. So ngayon, surprise siya, sakto-sakto, magpa-birthday siya. So, surprise ko siya. Hindi niya alam, of course. So guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, comment, and share my video, and subscribe, and click my bell button para updated kayo sa susunod ko pang video. So guys, let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday, it's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So, ayan na guys, tapos na po natin ang ating ginawang banner na happy birthday. Actually, hindi po ako yung nag-lettering. Ako lang po yung nag-ayos. Thank you for Mary Jane for helping me to make this kind of lettering, which I can't do it on by myself. Okay, ako lang po nag-design. Sana maganda, sana magustuhan niya. Ang ano ko lang po ay ang talent ko lang ay designer, pero hindi ako sa graphing. So this is customized made by Mary Jane, and this is my design. So thank you Mary Jane for helping me, Jane.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday, it's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Ate G! Ate G! May usapan ba kayo ni Kuya? Ate G! Ate G! May usapan kayo ni Kuya? May usapan ba kayo ni Kuya? Nasa labas si Kuya? Nasa labas si Kuya? Kumakatok. Nasa labas si Kuya, kumakatok.
2,000 years later.
Ni ano sabi pa ni
Wala na.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Palpak pala! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Lada ka dati. Wish muna. Wish muna. Wish muna. 10 years again? Eh! Happy birthday! It's a prank!
sabi pa ni ano sabi pa ni Saan ka pupunta na? Happy birthday! Saan ka mo? Oh, blow the candle na pa eh. So, mag-wish ka muna. 10 years contract to HDC. Yeah! Mga tulog na ba?
First of all, I would like to thank my friends. Yes, hindi magiging successful ang ating surprise kung hindi sa tulong nila. So, I would like to thank my hipag. Yes, my sister-in-law, Lucy. Lucy, thank you sa pag-support sa pagluluto. Okay, sa lahat ng nais kong gawin, nandiyan ka to support. Bunso, Aisha, thank you. Nakikinig ka sa iyong ate, Ate Mitch. Thank you sa pagtulong. O, syempre sa akin mga partners, uy! Jane, thank you sa pag-lettering. Pag may gusto ko isang bagay, isang sabi ko lang sa'yo, gagawin mo agad, di ba? Isang request ko lang. Meron tayong bagong friends na si Reby. Reby, thank you sa pag-help sa pag-balloons. So, hindi naman magiging successful ang ating surprise lagi kung walang tulong nila. So guys, thank you so much sa pagtulong sa ating pag-surprise kay Ate G. So, Ate G, I hope you like our surprise for you. Since year 2021, the last time I surprised you, it was on school. I remember that time. I've been surprised you while we are on work. Yes, we still have we still wear our uniform. It was afternoon. I was too much busy preparing your surprise. I also talked to my Modira, and she helped me about for my surprising for you. So it's become so easy for me. And then I take a one room, empty room, but no children was there. So it was also successful from me.
DJ Tongs.